COVID-19 nasal spray gets FDA approval for Phase 1 clinical trial. An experimental COVID-19 nasal spray vaccine received a green light for its Phase 1 clinical trial. The go signal has been given by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration after clearing the Investigational New Drug or IND application. The experimental vaccine is called AdCOVID, developed by Altimmune and preclinically tested by University of Alabama at Birmingham last year. Vipin K. Garg, President and CEO of Altimmune, said, "We believe deployment of intranasal vaccines like AdCOVID will be essential to a successful global response to the pandemic." Intranasal vaccines are suspected to play a major role in stopping this pandemic. Because COVID-19 is an infectious respiratory disease, many researchers view nasal sprays as an effective route to administer therapeutic effects and reduce side effects. However, developers of these products must determine that both efficacy and safety should meet the requirements of the WHO and other major health groups. The minimum efficacy rate must be 50%, with the lowest odds of adverse effects among individuals. According to UAB, the experimental drug is a single-dose nasal spray without a needle. More than 23 researchers from 6 UAB labs preclinically tested the vaccine. Lab results showed that the drug could elicit potent neutralizing antibodies and T-cell responses. The drug also induced mucosal immunity in mice models with just one dose. The chosen route of administration boasts two features. First, intranasal administration may protect the upper respiratory system from the COVID-19 virus. And second, the route may help reduce the risk of transmitting the coronavirus to others. Since the spray will deliver active ingredients into the upper respiratory tract, the virus is unlikely to replicate smoothly against antibody and T-cell activities in the nose. This kind of induced immunity is something unclear yet with intramuscular vaccines. Besides promising preclinical findings, AdCOVID does not rely on special storage. It can be stored at room temperature that makes it viable for deployment in rural areas. It is also expected to remain stable in long-distance travel in facilities prone to power issues than typical vaccines. Right now, Altimmune is commencing the trial proper. The vaccine will be evaluated for safety and immunogenicity in up to 180 healthy adult participants, aged 18 to 55 years. Participants will receive one of the 3 dose levels of the nasal spray. Investigators will examine tolerability and elicited immune responses, such as antibody levels and T-cell activities. While the vaccine is administered locally, it is designed to induce both mucosal and system immunity against COVID-19.